Hey there, folks. It's Charlotte, and this week is homecoming week in the little town I live in South Mississippi. And if you are lucky enough to live here, have a football player, a cheerleader, or a band member, this is what you get to look forward to. We were toilet papered, y'all. Now, this was all done in good fun, and I'm not mad about it. This is a high school tradition that has gone on in this town during homecoming week for decades. But I have to offer just a bit of a critique, though. This looks like half an effort to me. What do you think? I mean, 40 years ago, me and my Gen Xer friends would have papered this entire house. We'd have wrapped her car, the front porch, the garbage can, and even that fence back there. And we definitely have this front yard looking like it was covered in snow. I've got 2 words for this improper job. Security cameras. It's ruining the life of the teenagers wanting to prank each other. And what's so strange to me is these kids roll their friends' houses. Not us. We got our sworn enemies' houses because they would usually get in trouble for it, and we knew it. Hey, y'all, it's Friday morning. And tonight is the homecoming game, and y'all, we've been hit again. This is the second time this week. I just got this mess cleaned up from the first time yesterday afternoon. But they did do a better job. They got her car a little bit, and they got the bushes in the front. And they used more toilet paper. Tomorrow night is the homecoming dance, and then it'll be all over with until next year. But not for my daughter. My daughter's going to be going to college next year, so it'll start with my son, who starts the 9th grade. 4 more years of this, y'all. Take care. Have a great day.